Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In our video today, guys, we are not cooking, but we're gonna be making fresh mango juice that it is sweet, smooth, and full of natural flavor, perfect for a hot day and super easy to make at home. It is also nutritious and much better than a store-bought juice. I also added milk to make it a little bit creamy. So if you love creamy drink, this juice is perfect for you. Grab a seat and let's get started. And kindly guys, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go and watch the videos that I've posted. And also to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. Those who have been watching my videos, guys, I don't take it for granted. Watch. And with those few remarks, let's get started. Hope you enjoyed the rest of this video.